Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of mediocre milk frothing pitchers that can't keep up with your coffee cravings? Look no further than the 420 milliliters or 14-ounce milk frothing pitcher from Hercher, a game-changer in the world of coffee accessories. This impressive pitcher is well-reviewed and a popular choice among coffee enthusiasts, and for good reason. With its multi-purpose design, you can use it as a coffee cup, latte art cup, or even a serving cup for creamy milk, making it an indispensable helper in any kitchen or coffee shop. The LED lights and liquid-cooled features provide a unique and efficient frothing experience, resulting in a silky smooth texture that's a delight to the senses. The oblique pour mouth is a standout feature, allowing you to create intricate milk foam designs with ease, while the comfortable handle design provides a secure grip, even during high-temperature operations. Whether you're a professional barista or a coffee aficionado, this pitcher is a must-have, making it easy to craft professional-grade coffee with minimal effort. With its super comfy design and king-size capacity, you can enjoy perfectly frothed milk every time, whether it's for espresso, cappuccino, or hot chocolate. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its versatility and performance. In real-life use, this pitcher has proven to be a reliable and efficient tool, allowing you to focus on the art of coffee making rather than struggling with subpar equipment. Overall, the Hercher 420 milliliters or 14-ounce milk frothing pitcher is a top-notch accessory that's sure to elevate your coffee game, so why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.